Yeah. Refresh.
Karibuni, karibu wageni wetu, karibuni, karibu wageni wetu. 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 Tazama uko mbele yenu, ninaweza kumwona Kwamboka. Nikitazama uko mbele yenu, ninaweza kumwona Kwamboka. Kwamboka nare omongino mongaini, tata wate. Kwamboka nare omongino mongaini, tata onane nare wekato wate. Kwamboka nare omongino mongaini, tata onane nare wekato wate. Kwamboka nare omongino mongaini, tata onane nare wekato wate. Nikitazama uko mbele yenu, ninaweza kumwona Vikita. Nikitazama uko mbele yenu, ninaweza kumwona Komando. Nikitazama uko mbele yenu, nikitazama uko mbele yenu, ninaweza kumwona Komando. Nikitazama uko mbele yenu, ninaweza kumwona Kwamboka. Nikitazama uko mbele yenu, ninaweza kumwona Kwamboka. Kaikose mekele Kwamboka, kaikose so mekele Kwamboka. Kaikose so mekele Kwamboka, kaikose so mekele Kwamboka. Maurana maurana chibesa chamboni, maurana maurana chibesa chamboni, maurana maurana chibesa chamboni, maurana maurana chibesa chamboni. Chisani sano nema
Please stop the scene. Secondary, you have to read it. Secondary, you should be leaving the stage now. Start. Our area MCA, Mr. Victor, please before time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Mama May. Mama May ambaye ni mama wetu wa county, the first lady, amekuja pamoja na waziri Margaret wetu hapa, members of the county assembly ambao wako hapa, yes, and all protocols observed. Na wasalimu mjambo. Mjambo re. Ngire wote. Ngire kwa tunataka tufanye hii sherehe as quickly as possible. Members of the county assembly ambao tumekuja na wao, please come forward. Wale ambao wamekuja na, please come forward. Elected. Mbona hapo? Yeah, take over. Wanasonga mgambo. Mwanamo wako. Haru masengu. Mwanamo wako. Mbali na
Wangapi wananijua kwa maana niko na peremende na kila kitu? Wangapi wananijua? Kwa masikini mimi hiyo ndio basi. Hadi pia kutoka Bomoreda, ndio mahali mnatembea huko, tumetoka tunakaseka ndio tumekuja hapa. Moroje. Iko nini? Tulia. Leo tumekuja na mgeni wa heshima hapa. Mumewahi kuona Mzongo? Niko na furaha kumuona. Ensemoyere karate bana ensemoyere. Mama waenda kwa kusalamia wazazi, muambie Mheshimiwa Gavana Zimba Arati. Mnajua Zimba Arati? Gavana wa wapi? Gavana wa wapi? Asante kuwasalamia.
Niko sawa? Niko fresh? Kwa majina mimi najulikana kama Mrasa Wengi, kiongozi wa leo katika bunge na mjumbe mteule wa basi Kongo kule Babasi. Nawatakia kila la heri, Mungu awasaidie mpite mtihani. Niko sawa? Nimejua Simba refu. Nimejua Mama May. Mama May oye! Simba refu oye! Nani akienda nyumbani anasalimia Simba Arati? Iko wakisema kitu kidogo wasikie. Watu wanataka kuona bora ya tunu. Unaona? Unanipata vizuri? Tunaomba msamaha, tumekuja mapema, lakini kwa sababu ya kazi hii tumekuja saa hii. Ninawashukuru kwa kuvumilia. First Lady, thank you very much for coming to Diana Ward. Na kushukuru sana. Tunajua wakati Mama May yako hapa, ni gavana ako hapa. Tunasema gavana amefanya vizuri kuja hapa. Tunajua gavana Simba. Simba hoye! Simba hoye! Mama May hoye! Mama May.
Simba. Geometrical Governor Simba Arati. The students, how are you? Are you happy? Yes. Governor sent me here to wish all candidates success in exams. But before I give you the goodies of the governor, I thank Mheshimiwa Victor Ombasa has brought me here. Mheshimiwa Victor Ombasa is the chair of the Education Committee in the Assembly. How many of you here has got bursary? Nobody. Did you get bursary? Yes. For the parents who are here, Mheshimiwa Victor Ombasa is in charge of bursary. So if your students are not getting bursary, you go to his house. We will make sure the students will get the bursaries. Now, because of time, now that I've come here and every school I've gone, I have left a cow in a school. Can I start collecting for you a cow? Yes. Mheshimiwa Victor. Mheshimiwa has a lot of money. You clap for him so that he can give us a big one. Now, Mheshimiwa Victor has given me 20,000. Don't clap. Don't clap. Keep quiet so that you can hear properly. He has given me 20,000, 15 for secondary and 5 for primary. Don't clap. Don't clap. This money cannot buy a cow. Let me continue. We have our maternity leader here from Assembly called Mheshimiwa Henry Moracha. What is his name? Mheshimiwa Henry Moracha. Please give us a cow. 10,000. 5. He has given 5 to primary, 5 to secondary. Now clap for him. We have our maternity rep, who is Mheshimiwa John Ombati. He has also given 5 to primary, 5 to secondary. I've come to Mheshimiwa Machuki, who is the MCA for Governor Simba Arati. 3,000 for primary, 3,000 for secondary. We have Mheshimiwa Richmond. May Arati. Mheshimiwa Richmond from Bogeka. Don't talk on phone, Tavarani. We want money. Four? He has given me 5,000 for secondary. Now he's removing money for primary. Yeah. Imagine he's with a very nice suit, senor. Yes. He has added me 1,000 for primary. Mheshimiwa, please, add us another digit. Come back here.
I don't have.
You can send him pesa.
Okay, put to 1,000 there.
He's giving another 1,000. Send him pesa right now.
Yes, I will send.
Whom have I missed? And the Deputy Speaker of Assembly, Mheshimiwa Bagaka. 10 for secondary, 5 for primary. Now, hello? Your car is almost, but not yet ready. Because we need two, one for primary, one for secondary. We must ask Mheshimiwa Victor to give us more. I was told he was a head teacher in the school. The primary students. Senior, he must give us a big car. No. He has added 4,000 for the primary. Now you babies, 4,000 is too small. You want only meat without muchele? You want muchele? Let me look for the owner of the house of Mheshimiwa Victor. You know when I come, I present who? Simbarati. Now there is a lady who presents Mheshimiwa Victor Ombasa. Don't worry, Victor will ask. He has given 2,000 for the primary. Let me count for you how much do you have now. And we have a CEC. This CEC presents Dongchari Constructions. She's in charge of roads and infrastructure. How much is he giving us? You know roads has money. You know the biggest ministry in the county government is roads. She has given 10,000, 5 for primary and 5 for secondary. Let me count for the secondary school. For the primary students, you have 38,000. 36. I told you 36. Don't clap. 36 can still not buy a cow. Let us reach to 40. We need how much? How much do we have? 36. So we need how much now? 4,000. Mheshimiwa Victor, just add for us. So we clap for him. He said he has not heard you cheering him. Yay! No problem, just give me 4,000. I will 4,000! So now, Mheshimiwa Bagata has given me 6. Now we need another 6. Mheshimiwa majority leader, you present the government. He's saying he will add us 2,000. Now we need 4,000, isn't it? We go back to who? That's good. Well, he's always right. He said we are going back to Mheshimiwa Victor and Mheshimiwa Mbati. They give us 2 each. We just need 2,000 from you. Thank you, Mheshimiwa Mbati.
Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye kumulika. Aye simba ne mamba, simba ne simba, simba ne taye.
Now, the chairman of Key 61,000 for you. Now I have another 2,000 from the brother of Governor Simba Arati. So now I have 62 and 41. Where is the governor's money? How much is this? I have 40,000 for Governor Simba Arati. Allow me. We give 10,000 to the primary and 30 to the secondary. The head teacher of the primary, head teacher of primary school, Wanimu, 41 plus 10, 51. 51,000 for you people. Are you happy? Huh? The principal for the secondary school. I have 82,000 for you. Huh? 92? No, it was 82. No, it was 62 plus 20. Oh, plus 30, 92. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me find myself 3,000 to make it to 95. Oh, they are giving me 3. Hello? Now that I've delivered your account, are you happy? Yes. Make sure when you go home, tell your parents Governor Simba Arati has brought a cow to the school and said hi to you. Yes. Are you going to do that? Yes. I want to show you the gift Governor has brought here.
Yes.
Wait. All the candidates. I want. Stay away from me. All the candidates, you will get a domestic set. A success card. A success card. And for the candidates who are girls, you will get 2 packs of your sanitary pads. And for the young kids here, for the young kids here, hello? You know this mic is giving me a lot of stress. For the young kids here, before you wait for your meat, you will get soda na mukate. Are you excited? Are you happy? Who has sent me here to be with you today? I can't hear you. Who has sent me here to be with you? Who is Simba Arati? Thank you. Now I have Form 4, you have 163 students. Am I right? Yes. Grade 6, 45. Grade 8, 58. Yes. Every person, your seat is there. So make sure nobody misses. Because I'm running to another school, I could have wished to give you myself. But now let me ask the teachers to handle them to you. Is that okay? Yes. And I want you to be given right now today. And the wazazi, the parents, and the adults, you can go to that parking there. You know how governor does these things. Omari, lead your team there. Follow that man there. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much. Aba nene gochi moinaria wanafunzi mtabaki, watu wakubwa kwenda huko, watu wakubwa ile side, wanafunzi mtabaki. All the students will remain. We will tell you what to do. Watu wakubwa waende kwenda huko.